Boys, we're finally back in Utah, and look what has arrived. Dun, 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 dun. We have so much to do today. The Aventador and the C8 look so good next to each other. What? Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Boys, 4,500 miles later in the C8 Corvette, we have finally made it home. It feels so good to be back home, and that's exciting and all, but more excitingly, the 4GT, the exhaust, it's done. We still need some good vanity plate ideas. The best one we've come up with is C8 Strat, but we can do better, so let me know in the comments below. It's so cool to see the C8 Corvette next to other supercars. Like the Aventador and the C8 actually share a lot of the same design language. What do you think? Should we wrap the Corvette purple, and should we add the camo? Let me know what you think in the comments below. 4,573 miles on the C8 Corvette. I would reckon it's the highest mileage in the world. The LaFerrari, the 918 Spider were cool, but the Rolls-Royce Limo on the backup camera, that's the best view we've ever had. I know in my last video, I promised you guys we were gonna film the hypercar of hypercars in Dallas, Texas. Unfortunately, because of everything going on in the world, we had to cancel. So sometime in the future, hopefully the near future, we're gonna fly back to Dallas and we're gonna film a proper video. It was a Bugatti Chiron. We weren't gonna race necessarily the Corvette and the Chiron, but we were kind of sort. Anyways, someday we're gonna fly back. So we're headed to make some models to get the 4GT. The FI exhaust is done. I have not driven this car in 3 months. This is the world's first. This is the first time there's ever been an FI exhaust installed on a first-gen 4GT. We're gonna get a cold start up, we're gonna get some revs, some accelerations. Tesla's gonna be here in about 5 to 10 minutes. We're gonna drive the Corvette to make some models. I'm gonna drive the GT home, and Tesla's gonna drive the Corvette. On that bombshell, I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Cove Portable Speakers. I've worked a lot with Cove in the past on their Commuter 1.0 speaker. Well, for 2020, this is the 2.0. Dun, 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 dun. It's 2-in-1 Bluetooth speakers. You can pair these to your smartphones in a matter of seconds via Bluetooth. And because you have 2 speakers paired to 1 device, it creates this amazing 360 surround sound field. Now, I can tell you guys the sound quality is amazing, or I could show you guys. So we're gonna pair this to my smartphone, and we're gonna bump to some copyright-free music because, yeah, anyways. I'm pretty sure most of you guys are gonna recognize this song. If not, link below to Vixento. The surround sound is so cool. The range on these is 30 feet. They're water resistant, and 1 charge will last you 7 hours. Now, bear in mind, I'm recording this audio with an external microphone on a DSLR camera. In person, it sounds so much better. I just love how portable and convenient the new Commuter 2.0 is. When I'm working out, when I'm editing YouTube videos, it is the perfect bring along. Special link in the description below, 60% off and free shipping in the United States until April 14th. Boys, you're not gonna wanna miss out on this opportunity because when it's gone, it's gone. I have to admit, like the Rolls-Royce and the C8 Corvette, they look so good next to each other. It just exudes a certain level of class and sophistication the neighborhood never just had. Also, the weather is a tad ominous. I think maybe we have a spin class with Tessa today. You want to spin the Corvette? Do donuts? What? No? Come on, do donuts. Come on, that car is easy to spin.
Do you want to see your car smashed? Then, yeah, let's do it.
Okay, yeah,
guys,
let's do it.
Give this video 578 likes, and I will do donuts in the Corvette.
Quick change of plans. We're gonna leave the Corvette here at the house and we are gonna take the Subaru. Dun, 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 dun. I kind of sort of dropped this bombshell secretively on you guys in the last vlog, but yes, indeed, the Burlacker who owns this house, I live with him. He has a wife, he's married, he's been married for a while. His wife is awesome, but she does not like being on camera, and this is her Subaru Outback. She's actually gonna take me to make some models, but she doesn't like being on camera, so I will see you guys there momentarily in 3, 2, 1. I feel like a little kid right now. I have not driven this car since December 17th. Nobody's heard an FI exhaust on a 4GT other than the guys here at Make Some Models. I cannot wait. Whew, we got a 720S as well, presumably bump and fall out boy. But 4GT, we do have to pay for it, so yeah, we got to pay for it. Unfortunately, we did actually have to pay for the exhaust, but check it out. We got the 430 challenge, and I just got news. The car is fixed. The potentiometer has been installed, and the car is running properly. We're not going to drive it today because it's raining. You should do donuts in this someday, Tessa. Full send? No doubt? Little doubt? Some doubt?
A little bit of doubt.
A little bit of doubt, just a smidge of doubt. We also have the Gallardo right there, and of course the 488. But boys, we have a massive wing coming for this car very, very soon. And I'm still trying to decide, do we get white wheels or orange wheels? White or orange, Tessa, what do you think?
Ooh, orange might look good.
I think orange would look sick. This is not my Gallardo right here, but this one looks so good. It's got the carbon mirrors right there, the carbon splitter, and these Vossen wheels look awesome. So my Gallardo is still in Chicago. It's getting twin turbocharged. It should be done maybe in May or June, but obviously with everything going on in the world, like everything is kind of sort of being delayed, but these carbon mirrors look so good. I don't know what to expect. Like, nobody really knows what to expect. It could sound amazing. I'm sure it's gonna sound amazing. It's a 5.4 liter supercharged V8. I think Luke might have broke it. Did you break it, bro?
Wait for you to stop talking.
Oh, well, so I'm just, yeah, we're good. That sounds mean. The stock Ford GT sounds like a vacuum cleaner, like a Dyson. That's sweet. Can we rev it up? That sounds like a proper muscle car. That's so good. He's revving it like... Dude, that's popping like crazy. Can you do a couple more? Oh my gosh. That is ridiculous. What is going on? Turn it off. We got a fully custom intake done as well. You got the FI exhaust prototype 001 right there. That is sick. So we should be able to hear the supercharger a lot more with that intake. Whoa. Jeez, what have we done? Oh my gosh, watch it! The 488 right there. We got the 720S Spider. We have 550 horsepower, rear wheel drive, and it's kind of sort of raining right now, so we gotta be safe. Oh jeez! That was a lot of wheel spin, boys! Okay, we gotta chill. And go! Jeez! This thing sounds incredible! Oh my gosh, what have we done? Up to 4,000 is cool, but wait for this. Yo! That sounds so good, and there's a police car literally right in front of me, right there. We're gonna take the next exit. Yeah, we're definitely taking the next exit. This is not a spin class, okay? There's gonna be a well, there might be a double spin, well, spin class. We're getting better, but we had our fun. We gotta get lost. Oh, okay. I just realized I spent $2,000 on these Goodyear tires, so yeah, we gotta. And go. We had to spin around for round 2. We'll see. Yo! This car has just been completely transformed. I've had a lot of custom exhausts installed on cars. I don't think I've ever seen a bigger difference between a stock Ford GT and a Ford GT with an FI exhaust. A stock Ford GT, it sounds like a Dyson. It sounds like a dying vacuum cleaner. Not that Dyson, never mind. Anyways, we're gonna cut back to December 17th with the stock exhaust Ford GT. Headphone users, you're gonna be fine. Everybody has moments in their life that they'll regret. Headphone users, do not regret this moment, okay? Seize the moment. This is definitely loud. Ford GT, we're in a parking garage, so I realize it's not the best comparison with a stock GT, but we want to make it loud, so we're going to. I'm almost embarrassed, it's so loud. Boys, we gotta, I know the microphone is not capturing that. That is insanity. What have we done? Okay, yeah, we need to leave the premises ASAP. This is the single hardest car in park. I cannot see. I think think I might have strained my neck right there. We need to move the Corvette from right there to right where I'm standing because Nick parks his Mustang over there. I just don't know if it's gonna fit. The GT is so much wider than the Gallardo. I tried to get it as close to this wall as I could, and I realized I could have done better, but you cannot see out of this car, and I didn't want to hit the wall, and I didn't want to scrape the car, so success. I'm trying to decide though on the GT. Do we wrap it purple or do we match it turquoise to match the 430 challenge? I think it's a unanimous decision. The C8 Corvette is going to be purple with white wheels, but the GT, do we go turquoise? I still haven't registered the 4GT. We're still on Hawaii plates. I need a good vanity plate idea. GT Strad, like, we can do better than that. C8 Corvette, like, we gotta do better on that too. I need a bigger garage! That's so close. We're good. It was a success. The C8 Corvette does fit with the 4GT, but just by like a smidge. They are so close right there. Aventador is good. Nick should be home with the Shelby GT350. I think it should fit right here. It's not that big of a car. Obviously, you want more distance with a Mustang. Anyways, I mean, it is a Mustang, and it would be a shame. It would be a crying shame. Oh my gosh! What did I say about Mustangs? Easy there, big fella. Slow and steady. We have this crash barrier right here, so I mean, if he does, like, we're good, but easy, 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 easy. Keep coming, keep it coming. Stop, stop! I'm just kidding, we're good, we're good. Oh, it feels good to win, boys. It feels good. I could see your heart sink right there. Whoa, 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 jeez.
When you cry wolf as much as you do, it doesn't faze me anymore.
I would reckon this is the best 4-car collection we have ever had in the garage. They look so good as a quadruple, and the purple and Nick's Mustang coming to a C8 vlog very, very soon with white wheels. Anyways, on that bombshell, today's video is effectively over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog's over, and I'm out.